Hi children, welcome back to English classroom with me Sajita ma'am. Children, in today's class we are going to see English alphabet, that is 26 letters in three format. One is capital letter and small letter and cursive letter with this mini book. Let's see how it works. Come on. Children, look at this. English alphabet 26 letters. Capital, small and cursive letters. This is capital A, small a, and inside cursive letter A. The next letter is B, capital B, small b, and cursive letter B. Capital C, small c, cursive letter C. Capital D, small d, and cursive letter D. Capital E, small e, and this one cursive letter E. Capital F, small f, cursive letter F. Capital G, small g, cursive letter G. Children, repeat after me. Capital H, small h, cursive letter H. Capital I, small I, and this one cursive letter I. Capital J, small j, and this is cursive letter J. Capital K, small k, and cursive letter K. Like this you have to write. Capital L, small l, and this one cursive letter L. Capital M, small m, cursive letter M. Capital N, small n, cursive letter N. N after O. Capital O, small o, cursive letter O. Like this you have to write it in 4 lines notebook. Okay children. Now we will move on to the next letter. Capital P, small p, and cursive letter P. Capital Q, small q, cursive letter Q. After Q what will come children? Yes, you are right. It's R. Capital R, small r, and cursive letter R. After R, yes. Capital S, small s, and cursive letter S. The next one is capital T, small t, and cursive letter T. Now look at this children. After T, yes you are right, it's U. Capital U, small u, and cursive letter U. Capital V, small v, and cursive letter V. W, capital W, and small w, and cursive W letter. What will come next? Yes, you are right, it's X. Capital X, small x, and cursive letter X. After that, capital Y and small y, and cursive letter Y. Now the last letter of English alphabet. Can you guess? Yes, you are right, it's Z. Z, capital Z, small z, and cursive letter Z. Children, today we have learned all the 26 letters from this mini book. Like this, you can also make and you can learn all the three format of letters. That is capital, small and cursive. Thanks for watching. Keep learning.